You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher. Hello and welcome to another episode of Maths Made Fun and Easy. My name is Ikenna Nwokolo. I hope you enjoy today's lesson where we'll be looking at an interesting topic, polygons. Before we move on with today's lesson, I want to remind you that this is a maths practice exercise. So you need your pen and your paper with you so that you can practice along with me. And then you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video so that you get interesting and fun videos like this that will make you excel in mathematics. So polygons, what are polygons? Polygons are flat shapes with straight sides. So any flat shape with a straight side is a polygon. Something like this. This is a polygon. But this is not a polygon. Why? This side is a curved side. So this doesn't qualify as a polygon, but this qualifies as a polygon. Now, polygons are given names based on the number of sides that they have. Starting with the smallest, we have triangles with 3 sides. We have quadrilaterals with 4 sides, pentagon with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides, heptagon with 7 sides, octagon with 8 sides, nonagon with 9 sides, and decagon with 10 sides. The list goes on. It doesn't stop at 10. So based on the number of sides, we give names to the polygons. Now we have 2 groups of polygons, regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons have all their sides and angles equal, while irregular polygons, their sides and angles are not equal. So for a triangle, the regular polygon in a triangle is an equilateral triangle. You know, all the sides and the angles are equal, right? For a quadrilateral, which one is the irregular polygon? A square. All the sides and all the angles are equal. And then we'll be talking about how to calculate the sum of angles in a polygon. There's a formula that we use to calculate the total sum of angles in a polygon. If the polygon has n number of sides, we use this formula, n minus 2 times 180. Okay? So for instance, if it is a pentagon, then the n will be 5. 5 minus 2 times 180, which is 3 times 180, which is 540. Another formula we use is 2n minus 4 times 90. Or we can say 2n minus 4 right angles. You know, 90 is right angles. So if you want to calculate the number of right angles you have in a polygon, you just know that this is it, 2n minus 4 right angles in that particular polygon. This is for the interior angle. Now, we also calculate the exterior angle. The exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360. It doesn't matter the number of sides. What do I mean by exterior angle? First of all, interior angle means this plus this plus this plus this plus this. And since this is a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, then the total sum of angles will be 3 times 180, which is 540, right? So when you add up all these angles, you would get 540. That is for interior angles. For exterior angle, to get exterior angle, you need to produce all the sides, you draw it out. The angle it makes with this adjacent side is exterior angle. Not like this. This is not exterior angle, okay? You have to produce one side out like this. Then the angle that this side produced mixed with the adjacent side is an exterior angle. All right? Like this, like this, like this. So when you add up all these exterior angles, what you would get would be 360. All 5 exterior angles added up gives us 360. So these are the basic things that you would see when it comes to polygons. We are going to look at some practice questions to see how we apply what we have said so far.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now to the first question. You know how we do it. Always pause the video, attempt the question before watching my explanation. You know the joy that you get when you get the answer before the teacher. Question number 1. How many sides has a polygon if the sum of its angles is 1080? You know the formula for calculating the sum of angles in any polygon is n minus 2 times 180, right? And we are told that the sum of angles in this particular polygon is 1080. So we are looking for n, the number of sides of this polygon. How do we get that? First of all, I'm going to get rid of this 180 by dividing both sides by 180. All right, so this cancels out. We have n minus 2 is equal to 0, we cancel 0, 18 into 186, right? So n minus 2 is equal to 6. So n will be equal to what? Minus 2, when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus 2. So n is equal to 8. So the number of sides of this polygon is 8 sides. What do you call a polygon with 8 sides? An octagon. So this is an octagon. Very well. So an octagon, the sum of angles in an octagon is 1080.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
And now to question number 2. How many sides has a polygon if the sum of its angles is 26 right angles? Remember that the sum of angles in a polygon is 2n minus 4 right angles, right? Or you can say 2n minus 4 times 90. We are told that in this particular polygon, we have 26 right angles. That means 2n minus 4 is equal to 26, right? 2n minus 4 is equal to 26. So we are looking for the number of sides of this polygon, which is n. So let's get for n. We say n is equal to 26 plus 4. As minus 4 crosses the equal sign, becomes plus 4. So we have 2n is equal to 30. To get n, I will simply divide both sides by 2. So n is equal to 15. 15 sides. So this polygon has 15 sides.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now to question number 3. What is the size of each angle of a regular polygon in degrees if the sum of its angles is 44 right angles? So how do you calculate this? First of all, there are some things we need to know. We need to know the total angle that is in this polygon, 44 times 90, right? Then we need to also know the number of sides of this polygon, and that is what we use to calculate the size of each angle. All right, so let's get the sum of angles first. Sum of angles, as the total, is equal to 44 right angles. That is 44 times 90, which is what? 44 times 9 is 396. Then this 0. So this is the sum of angles in this regular polygon. Now let's get the number of sides. Remember that the number of right angles in this polygon is 44. And the formula we use is 2n minus 4 right angles, right? So 2n minus 4 is equal to 44, right? 2n minus 4 right angles. So n will give us what? 2n will be 44 plus 4, which is 48. So n will be 48 divided by 2, which is 24. So this particular polygon has 24 sides. Now let's calculate the size of each angle. So this is the total angle, and since it's a regular polygon, we simply divide the total angle by the number of sides or by the number of angles. So the size of each angle will be equal to the total angle, which is 3960, divided by the number of sides, which is 24. 24 into 39 is 1, remainder 15, into 156. 24 into 156, that would be 6, remainder 12. 24 into 120, that would be 5. So we have each angle of this regular polygon to be 165 degrees. I hope you got it.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now on to question number 4. I hope you've subscribed to this YouTube channel so that you can see more interesting and exciting videos like this that will make math a very easy subject for you. Find the unknown angles of the polygon below. So we need to get this angle, and this angle. These are the unknown angles. The first thing you need to check is what kind of polygon is this. Let's count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a hexagon. We need to know the sum of angles in a hexagon, right? Which will give us n is 6 minus 2 times 180, right? 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180. So this is going to give us 720. So the sum of angles in this polygon is 720. That means if I add up all the angles, I will get 720, right? So if I add up 117 plus 131 plus 142, then plus 2x plus 3x plus x, I will get 720, which is the sum of angles in this hexagon. 117 plus 131, that will be 248. 248 plus 142, that will be 390, right? 390 plus 2x plus 3x is 5x plus x is 6x. This is equal to 720. So to get 6x, I would say 6x is equal to 720 minus 390. All right? So 6x will be 330. Let me continue here. 6x is equal to 330. Okay? So to get x, I'll divide both sides by 6. So x is equal to 5, remainder 3. So x is equal to 55 degrees. So our x is 55 degrees. So we found x. One of the unknown angles is 55 degrees. The other unknown angles is 2x. 2x, that is 2 times 55, which is 110. And then the other one is 3x. 3 times 55, which is 165 degrees. So we found all the unknown angles in this polygon. I hope you got it.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Question number 5. I hope you are attempting the questions before watching my explanation. The sum of 3 of the angles of a nonagon is 462 degrees. The other 6 angles are all equal to each other. Calculate the size of each of the other angles. All right, so let's go over it again. The sum of 3 of the angles of a nonagon is 462 degrees. So 3 out of 9 we know is 462. Then the remaining 6 angles are equal to each other. We want to calculate the size of each of the equal angles. So what we need to do is to first of all know the angles or the sum of angles in a nonagon. And the formula we use is n minus 2 times 180. So n minus 2 times 180 is what? N in this case is 9. Since it's a nonagon, 9 minus 2 times 180. This will give us 7 times 180, right? 7 times 18 is 126, then this 0. So the sum of angles in a nonagon is 1260 degrees. Now we are told that 3 of the angles is 462. So the size of the other 6 angles will be equal to what? 1260 minus the 3 angles that we know the sum, which is 462. This will be 8. You take 1 from here, so we have 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. This is 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. So we have 798 degrees as the sum of the 6 equal angles. So, but we want to find the size of each of the equal angles. That would be 798 divided by 6, right? Because these 6 angles are equal. To get the size of each of them will be equal to 798 divided by 6. 6 into 7 is 1, remainder 1, into 19 is 3, remainder 1, into 18 is 3. So this is equal to 133 degrees. So the size of each of the equal angles is 133 degrees. I hope you got this.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now to question number 6. Find the value of k in the figure below. Pause the video, attempt the question, and get the value of k. We need to know what shape we have here by counting the number of sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentagon. Then we need to know the sum of angles in a pentagon. Sum of angles in a pentagon will be 5 minus 2 times 180, which will be equal to what? 3 times 180. 3 times 18 is 54, so we have 540. It means when we add 2k to 4k to 5k, 3k, and 6k, we would get 540. So let's do that addition. 2k plus 4k plus 5k plus 3k plus 6k gives us 540. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 6, 20. So 20k gives us 540. So to get k, we simply divide both sides by 20. K is equal to 54 divided by 2, that is 27, right? So K is equal to 27 degrees. I hope you got this.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
We are making progress now to question number 7. The angles marked in the figure below are measured in degrees. Find X. So these angles are which kind of angles? They are the exterior angles of this particular polygon. Don't be intimidated by this shape. You know that the exterior angles or the sum of exterior angles in any polygon adds up to what? 360. So it means if I add x to 2x to x to 5x and then to 3x, I should get 360. X plus 2x plus x plus 5x plus 3x gives us 360, because the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. X, that is 1x plus 2x is 3x, plus another x is 4x, 9x, 12x. So 12x is equal to 360. So to get x, what will I do? I'll divide both sides by 12. So x is equal to 360 divided by 12, which is 30 degrees. So our x is equal to 30 degrees. Interesting and easy.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now to question number 8. Remember to always attempt the question before watching my explanation. And if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button so that you see interesting and fun maths videos like this that will make you excel in mathematics. What is the size of an exterior angle of a regular pentagon? Easy question. Exterior angle. Remember that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So even for a pentagon, it is also 360. Now, but we are told that this is a regular pentagon, meaning all angles are equal, both the interior and the exterior angles. So it means that the size of one exterior angle of a pentagon will be equal to 360, which is the sum of all the exterior angles, divided by the number of sides or the number of angles, which is 5. 360 divided by 5. What will this give us? 5 into 36 is 7. Remember, 1 into 10 is 2. So we have 72 degrees as the size of each exterior angle of a regular pentagon. I hope you got this.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Another interesting question on the board. A pentagon has 4 of its angles equal. If the size of the 5th angle is 60 degrees, find the size of the 4 equal angles. All right. First of all, we need to know what's the sum of angles in a pentagon. So the sum of angles in a pentagon is n minus 2 times 180. And since it's a pentagon with 5 sides, we say 5 minus 2 times 180. This will be 3 times 180, which is equal to 540 degrees. So this is the sum of all 5 angles. We are told that one of its angle is 60 degrees. So the remaining 4 angles will be equal to the size of all 5 angles minus the 5th angle, which is 60 degrees. So this will give us 480. So the size of the four equal angles is 480 degrees. We want to know the size of each of them. It will be 480 divided by 4, since all four angles are equal. So each equal angle will be equal to 480 divided by 4, which is 120 degrees. Interesting and easy. I hope you got this.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
Now to the last question in this video. If the exterior angles of a pentagon are x, x plus 5, x plus 10, x plus 15, and x plus 20, find x. So these are the exterior angles. All right? So we want to look for the value of x. Remember, exterior angles, the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. That means if I add x to x plus 5, to x plus 10, to x plus 15, and then to x plus 20, I should get what? 360. Good. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many x do we have? 5x. So 5x plus 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30, plus another 20 is 50. So we have 5x plus 50 equals 360. 5x will be equal to what? 360 minus 50. As plus 50 crosses the equal sign, becomes minus 50. So 5x will be equal to 360 minus 50 is what? 310. So to get x, I'll divide both sides by 5. So x will be equal to 5 into 31 is 6, remainder 1, into 10 is 2. So x is equal to 62 degrees. Interesting and easy.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.
I hope you enjoyed today's video on polygons. If you did, like this video and share it so more people can see this. And if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, just hit the subscribe button so that you can see more interesting, engaging, and fun maths videos like this that will make you excel in maths. Until next time, bye-bye.
You're watching Maths Made Fun and Easy with Ikenna, Maths Teacher.